Got the Kingslim D5 dash cam. I'm going to be hardwiring it into our Nissan. Got the Hardwire kit and a couple of quick tap fuse connectors. I've already got it installed and been using just the normal accessory plug, but try to hardwire it in now so we can use the parking mode feature. Right now we just got the wire running down and plugged in with one of these. So I've already got it mounted. It came with a static sticker that goes on the windshield first, and then the GPS base sticks on with a 3M adhesive pad. So I'm gonna try to run the wires up through the headliner, down the pillar, and then down into the dash here and connect to the fuses here. We'll see how this goes. Let's take this off. Try to feed the Hardwire kit first. One side's got a USB plug that plugs into the dash cam. The other side's got 3 wires. Accessory wire is the red one, hot all the time, the yellow one, and then a ground. See how hard this is to fish up through the dash. Got a piece of copper wire. Let's see if I can do it this way. So, the wire here, get this to stay on. Like a little hoop. There it is. Go ahead and plug this side in. That way I know how much I need. Then I'll probably just tuck this one behind these other wires. That way it'll stay back far enough out of the way. It's connected. It's all tucked in the headliner. I got it run down behind this set of wires and down here. And I'll be able to connect these with the fuse taps to the fuse panel. I'm gonna go ahead and put the panel back on here. So that's in. And then these clips line up and pop back into place. Okay, it's all back in. To make it a little easier, I'm going to take this panel off. And then I think the rest are just clips. Here's the fuse taps. So how these work is this plugs in and takes the place of the fuse you pick. The original fuse will go back in. The bottom set is the factory fuse that you replaced, and the top one comes out to your new circuit. So what I'm gonna do, I've got 2 of them. One of them will be a constant power, battery power, and the other one will be a keyed power. And I've already picked, so I think I'm gonna use this one here, which is a battery powered 15 amp fuse. And the other one's a cigarette lighter fuse, which is an accessory powered fuse. So that will be that one and that one. But they're side by side, I may not be able to use those. May have to find a different accessory one. Maybe use one of these the blower motor ones. Well, let's see first. Well, so first I need to test and see which side of the fuse is the power side. So I've got a multimeter. Just want to touch one of them to a ground, and then this left side here showing 12 volts, so that's the hot side, and then the other side goes out. So what I need to do with this, the left side of this is what is the power side, and the other side goes out to the accessory. So fuse I pulled out, go in the bottom one. I'm going to use a 10 for the dash cam. It'll go on the top one, and then this will plug in like so. And then that will hook into the constant power that I need, the battery power. So as I test here, I'm getting 12 volts from the wire. That's what will hook to the yellow one. Now I gotta find which one I want to use for the accessory, because the one I was going to use is right beside it, and this will not plug there because it'll hit this side. So it looks like, you count up, there's two for the blower. I'm going to use one of those. That should be a good ground. You can see the ground right on the bolt here. Now I should just be able to plug them in and test it. Accessory is this one. And then constant power is gonna go on this one. Before I put everything back, turn it off, entering parking mode. All right, now I just need to put all this back and secure the wires up in here so they're out of the way, and should be good to go. The wires are nice and tucked out of the way. It just goes. Well, I forgot I didn't check this fuse here to see which side is the powered side. And so I pulled it back off and checked, and actually the inside is the power and the outside is what goes out to the accessory. So I've had to turn this upside down or flop it to the other way, that way it's in the right position. The outside pin is the powered side. So now we're good. Not sure what happened, but there's little bird feathers all over my truck. I think a bird got